I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here with the answers to common questions. One of the most important and frequent question is, Alex, where should I put my money in order to outperform in the markets, but more than outperform, to make a vast sum of money that I'm going to retire within the next months? And the answer, it is available on the blog of the company, 100% free, as it has been the case since I started here in 1989, proving everything that we forecasted to turn into reality. And I invite you to go through more than 65,000 case studies published since then. So in order for you to make, I'm not referring to $1 million or $10 million, I'm referring, as the title of the article is externally explicit, even for those that they have issues with the English language. It refers to make billions of dollars. So to make billions of dollars, you have to follow the instructions that they have been 100% free and 100% accurate, proving that everything else that you see or you read on the web is merely a scam, including the opinion of what they call themselves famous investors, as the case of Mr. Warren Buffett and many others. So you have to focus on this article since it focuses by itself on the ETF. And by focusing on the ETF, I'm talking about more than 70 companies for you to invest in. But for the sake of simplicity, to make it even, really simple for everyone, we recommend to buy the ETF, the Qs, which is available on the blog of the company, as well as a very large amount of shares of this company that everyone is aware of, Apple. I give you here all the reasons, 1,000 reasons, although it is not necessary, to buy the ETF, the Qs, along with the Apple shares. Reason number one, and probably the most important, I never missed one call in the history of Apple and in the markets by itself. So when I made available to everyone worldwide that the markets in the US, they were going to crash, I did it, make it public in real time, unlike scammers on the web, demonstrating 100% accuracy utilizing ETF, which is the most complex subject in trading in the history of the markets. So you have to refer to this chart that I made available to everyone, okay? So the markets, they crashed. The markets, they lost $11 trillion. Before the crash, we called Apple a stock that we talked about irrational exuberance, and therefore you had to sell the stock and to go short the stock, Okay, so this information, it was made available to everyone on the blog of the company in real time, I repeat, unlike scammers giving you plenty of time for you to profit from the US stock market crash. The markets, they crashed, and that was obviously going to happen because, like I said before, the future is already known. And after the markets, they crashed, we upgraded Apple to strong buy. Or better saying, we didn't upgrade Apple. What we said is the crash is going to stop, and Apple from here, you have not only to cover your short positions as well as to buy the stock, along with many other, more than 100 companies since then, to start with. But like I said before, if your objective was to make billions of dollars, you buy Apple as you have on the blog of the company 100% free, March 23, plus you also buy the ETF, okay? And your question is why, Alex, to buy Apple and to buy the ETF? Although you could have bought many other, or you can buy many other stocks. For the reasons that you have here, 10 reasons, okay? So you have here 10 reasons and you go through the reasons, all right? And if you want, you have here more stocks within or stock picks. Guaranteed, I'm referring to, obviously, you are going to make millions of dollars. So we even add to the article further stock picks for you to buy or to add to the long side, since the upside is outrageous. So the stocks, they outrageously undervalued. So that is the case as you have it here. Okta, okay, again, order recommendation from myself, as you have it here. While the Americans, they are talking about jobs loss, I'm talking about the making millions, mocking all these crocs on the web, in particular Americans. You just have to read here because I've been repeating this thousands of times. As I said 1,000 times, no one gives a shit about Americans, much less their government. Everyone is making millions except American communists. I know it hurts to listen to the truth, but that's not my problem. So this article invites you to buy shares of Okta, and not only at this price, as well as the initial price when I recommended to buy shares of Okta. That was, as you can have on the blog, a current flow of information, okay? Other stock that you can buy, you have it here, the case of Wayfair or PayPal or Overstock, or the case of Shopify. So going back to this article, I believe that for everyone, and I'm referring to institutions, I'm referring to small investors, for you to become a millionaire and to retire in the markets, this is what you have to do. Buy Apple and ETF the Qs to make billions of dollars, okay? I never miss it, therefore you have it here 100% free for you to take advantage of it. And unlike scammers, always the reference and always the calls throughout the history. All right? Thank you.